The seat is now installed. Wanted to check the layback angle with the spacers in. You can see the spacers under there. I think they're 1/2 inch. So again, our car is up on jack stands. We're close to 0. See what we got. So you can see we're on about 20 degrees. Before we had somewhere between 25 to 29. So we didn't gain a ton with those 1/2 inch spacers, but we went the right way and feels good. So there you have it, guys. We'll do a test fit with the seat. We'll let my son sit in there, see what he thinks, see if he can tell the difference on the layback angle. And I think we're gonna call this done. I've gotta do some painting and priming of the fresh welds. You see the welded area underneath there. I got to do some painting and priming and then install this bad boy for the last time. Remember, get out there and work on your car. This is the finalized passenger seat, and this shows the welds. We welded washers on the passenger side.